Hello everybody and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video I want to show you my couple of products that I've just come out with, and they're coloring book packs. I've got a bronze package, a silver package, and a gold pack depending on what your needs are for coloring books. I know there's a lot of subscribers and I've created a lot of videos showing you how to create coloring books, super simple methods. And if you just want a little bit of an easier way to just get started, check out the packs. I'm going to show you the details of what you're going to get in each pack. So the product is available on Gumroad. So in order to get to it, we've got 3 packages here, bronze, silver, and gold. If you're watching one of my videos, all you need to do is either go in the description and click on the first link in the description, or in the first comment section, you will see a comment posted by me, my coloring books, pattern packs, bronze, silver, and gold. So these are my designs from my professional designer, and I own the commercial rights to these to be able to sell them to you. And I just want to offer them at pennies compared to what I paid for them. I paid hundreds of dollars for these, and I want to offer them for an extremely low price for you guys. And these packages, is important to know that you can't get these anywhere else. You can't get these on Fiverr. You can't get these on Creative Fabrica. You will not be able to get these from anywhere else but right here. These are my own designs. So all you have to do is just click on the link here, and it will take you over to this page, Teach Me Money Methods on Gumroad. And you can see I have the 3 products here. And so if you look at the bronze pack, it's right here. And you can see there's just a couple more designs on there right there. But I'm offering it at $8.99 right now. And you can see all the details here. You can read about that, but they're 300 DPI, 8.5 by 11. You're going to get 30 high quality designs, and you're welcome to use these in your POD business. Just go ahead and check out all the details here. If you want more designs than that, and so that's my lowest price point package I'm offering. If you want something a little bit step up from that, you can go to the silver package, and you're going to get 60 high quality coloring page backgrounds. And that's the silver package. And the designs, so you're going to get what's in the bronze package. So you get all 30 designs from the bronze pack, plus you get 30 additional designs in a brand new style. So you will get 60 total coloring backgrounds, and these you can use them for all your quote coloring books. You can put images on top of these to just create some very custom high quality coloring books. And these designs are a little different style than more of the geometrical pattern type stuff in the bronze pack. In this one, you're going to get a little bit more artsy type designs, abstract type, and a little bit wider designs. And so you have a nice variety once you start getting to this package. And then finally, if you just want to buy all of it for just a few more dollars, this gold pack here is the best one. And you will see when you click on it, these designs, look at the design quality that you're going to get on this pack right here. These are like I said, the designer that I hired is really, really good. And these are unique designs to me and to you if you want to purchase them. But you will get like completely a step up when you get the gold package. You will get everything in the bronze pack and the silver pack. And then it's just a major step up, because then now you're going to have an additional bonus of 10 more designs like the bronze and silver pack. And then you're going to get another additional 30 plus designs that are high quality, like these ones you're seeing right here. Very, very high quality art, floral, shape type designs that you can really blow away the competition and attract customers to your coloring books. So you will get 100 designs. You will get all 3 packages in this gold package. And then, so not only do the high quality designs, 30 designs you're going to get in this one, it's going to separate it apart from the bronze and silver pack. But then I'm also throwing in 2 done for you PowerPoint coloring page templates, which is just awesome. And I'm going to show you those real quick. So we're going to come back to the gold. I'm just going to show you real quick what you get in the bronze pack. So I just want to kind of show you guys what you'll get real quick. I'm going to double click on one. So you're going to get designs like this in the bronze pack. Just going to kind of go through there. And I just wanted to create this video for you guys, just so you know, if you want to kind of know what's inside of each pack, that this will help you, hopefully. So I'm just going to zoom through here real quick so I don't make the video too long. But I know I have a lot of interest on these designs, and I've taken off the old one. You guys did see I had a link for some that I was selling, and so I went ahead and just got brand new designs, and just hired a designer to create a bunch of designs so I can offer these to you guys. So that's the bronze pack, those 30 designs right there. Those are great. And if you're on a budget, $8.99 for that pack, and you're going to be able to create several coloring books with those designs. The silver pack, you're going to get everything that's in the bronze pack, but then you're also going to get all these. Now you'll notice they're different designs, and they're different types of designs. And imagine, I'm going to show you what this looks like when you put text over this and you make these really cool. If you want to know a little bit more detailed on how I create my coloring books, go ahead and check out my coloring book videos in PowerPoint on the channel. I think I have 3 or 4 videos up until this point. But this is the silver pack. You can tell it's even a step up. You're really getting some high quality designs here. And that is the designs in this one. And we're almost done going through those. So that's what you're going to get in the silver pack. And then if you want to just get everything, just one low price, then go ahead and pick up the gold pack, because the gold pack is going to include everything in the bronze pack and the silver pack. But then you're also going to get these kind of designs, which are just, obviously these took a really long time, a lot longer time to create these designs. You're going to really create some really, really, really cool, interesting coloring books with these designs. I love this pattern here, which is awesome. And so you can just see the details and all the different things that are going on here. There's nothing that is repetitive about these designs. I mean, you're getting a couple of these flowers here, but you're getting so much stuff in here. Very high quality designs here. And if you want this, you just got to pick up the gold pack. That's the best way to go, because you're going to get all the designs. And after a while, I will be coming out with one final pack, and it'll be the diamond pack, and it's going to include a lot more designs, and it's going to include more templates as well. So that will be coming out at some point, probably not in the near future though. This took a while to put all this stuff together. But here are all the designs that you're getting on the gold pack. And remember, you're getting all these designs, plus you're getting the other designs that are in the bronze and silver packs, which is another 60 designs, plus another 10 bonus designs, plus you get 30 of these. So that's all those. So you get all that. Now I want to show you what you're going to get when you get the gold pack. You're going to get this right here, this template that I've already done for you. So you can literally take this, and you've got your this book belongs to, you've got your copyright page, and then you've got your your page. I've added borders and done all the work for you. I've resized the image. I've put guides, so I've already accounted for bleed on each page, and I've added a nice border and everything. So I've done all the work for you. And so I've added all the patterns. I believe these patterns are from the bronze package, and you're going to get just a done for you. Every other page has a blank page, right? And so you just keep going, and there's 25 designs on this page, which is a really good coloring book. 25 pages on a coloring book. You double that because you have the extra page. So there's no bleed through when people are coloring. So this is enough to create a 52 page coloring book, and you can have this up and running. All the work's done for you. You come over here and you can add whatever you want over the top of this. And then you would just go to File, and then you would go to Export, and then you would export it as a PDF, and it's ready to go, ready to upload to Amazon. So the next one is a similar backgrounds, okay? but I did the quote work for you. So you can choose to do whatever you're working on, whatever needs you have. But this one, you just come in here and you would literally just replace this text, replace with your quote, and you can shape it and do whatever you want to with it, you know, like that. And everything automatically resizes to what you need, right? And then it's different on each one. So this one, we have this kind of background, right? So you can change the text in here and write what you want. So yeah, you can write what you want in here. You can reshape it. You can, you know, maybe do that and make these words bigger to fit inside here. If you wanted to, you could resize the image here as well, right? You can resize this and just customize this whatever way you want to, but the design aspect is done for you, and you're ready to go. So you just get quotes, right? And then I have some in here where there's no background. You just throw that on there. Those are also awesome as well. So it just comes all the way down there, and you got all the blank pages are in between. So you've got a template, done for you template, 52-page coloring book. You got 2 templates ready to go for you. And so that is the package that I'm created. The gold pack selling for $19.99. I think it's a great value. I spent a lot more money than that to get all these created for you guys. And I know you guys are passionate about creating coloring books. I know coloring books are hot right now on KDP. So if you'd like to pick any of these packs up, all you do is just in this video, just go down and click on this link right here, Gumroad / Teach Me Money Methods. You click on it, it's going to take you to this page right here. You can also follow me for my other products. I am going to be coming out with courses teaching you how the different methods that I make money online. I'm going to be creating my own courses, selling them directly on Gumroad. They won't be uploaded to Udemy. They won't be uploaded anywhere else. They will be just exclusive for my YouTube subscribers. And so, so click on that link. Come check these out and pick up whatever package you would like. Thank you so much. If you found value in this video and your first time here, this is Teach Me Money Methods. I upload weekly videos, sometimes even daily, and I make money in several different ways. Online courses, Fiverr, affiliate marketing, YouTube, Amazon, low content KDP, audiobooks. I mean, you name it. And I actually am in that business making money. So, so yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. Until next time, take care.